Hello students, in 10th Maths chapter 1 relation and function, today we are going to learn how to represented of a relation. It may be represented by two methods. One is set-builder method or roster method. Another one is arrow diagram. Set-builder method is nothing but mathematical of notation. Roster method is nothing but list all of the elements in the relation separated by commas within the curly bracket. The next method, arrow diagram, is a visual representation. Next we move on to fourth sum of exercise 1.2. Okay, see the question. Represent each of the given relation by an arrow diagram, a graph and a set roster form wherever possible. Set of all relation ordered pair x comma y such that x equal to 2y comma x belongs to 2, 3, 4, 5 and y belongs to 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay students, in this question relation is given in set-builder form. So we have to represent this relation in arrow diagram, graph and set roster form and set in roster form. In solution, first of all you change the set-builder of relation into roster form of a relation. Then you represent an arrow diagram, graph and roster form. See solution. First you take down and write the given. X belongs to 2, 3, 4, 5 and y belongs to 1, 2, 3, 4. Now given condition x is equal to 2y. For better understanding, I will change this term into y term. Here in the question they given x term. I will change this into y term. That is y is equal to x by 2. See here 2y is in multiplication form. So we need y term means, so this 2 you bring it before equal. Then multiplication form, change it as a division, that is y equal to x by 2. So now we have to find out relation ordered pair. See, every x in an ordered pair, every x belongs to x and every y belongs to y. So if x is equal to, see the in x first element 2. If x is equal to 2, then y is equal to 2 by 2. That is y term x by 2. So you apply 2 instead of x. Then 2 by 2 we get 1. Then the ordered pair x2, y1. Okay. So now x is equal to, next element, x equal to 3, we get y equal to 3 by 2, then the ordered pair 3 comma 3 by 2. Then if x is equal to 4, y equal to 4 by 2, that is 2, then the ordered pair 4 comma 2. Then if x is equal to 5, then y equal to 5 by 2, then the ordered pair 5 comma 5 by 2. See, in this question represent each of the given relation. So then means, so relation, what is relation? Relation is a subset of A cross B. Okay. So here first set X 2, 3, 4, 5. Second set 1, 2, 3, 4. Then relation should be subset of these sets. Then we take particular ordered pair alone. See 2, 1 is a subset of this 2 sets. See here 2 belongs to X set, then 1 belongs to Y set. So this is one of the subset of A cross B. Okay, now see the second ordered pair 3, 3 by 2. So here 3s belongs to set Y and 3 by 2 is not belongs to set Y. Then means it is not a relation ordered pair. So you no need to take this order. The next one is 4, 2. See here 4 is belongs to set X and 2 is belongs to set Y. Then means it is one of the relation of X cross Y. Okay. Then next 5, 5 by 3. And here 5 belongs to X set and 5 by 3 is not belongs to Y set. So no need to take this relation. From this what you get conclude? Relation ordered pairs are 2, 1 and 4, 2. This 2 alone relation ordered pair, because remaining 2 ordered pair is not a subset of X cross Y. Okay. Okay, now move on the first subdivision. First subdivision A and arrow diagram. Which means visual representation of a relation. See, in first oval shape you draw this one X, then next oval shape set Y. Okay. See, in the question, X element belongs to 2, 3, 4, 5. All the elements you write here 2, 3, 4, 5. Then Y, in Y set, Y belongs to 1, 2, 3, 4. All the element write here 1, 2, 3, 4. Now relate by using this relation ordered pair. See here 2, 1, which means 2 related to 1. 2 related to 1. Then 4, 2, which means 4 related to 2. This is relation. Okay. Then this is an arrow diagram. That's all. Okay. Next heading, a graph. A graph. Graph is nothing but just you draw a first quadrant alone. No need to draw the 4 quadrants. X-axis, Y-axis, origin. Okay. In first X coordinate up to 5 have, 5 numbers have. So you write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then in Y coordinate 4 numbers have. So you write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now you plot this relation pairs alone. One is 2, 1. In x-axis 2, y-axis 1, that is 2, 1. Then next ordered pair of relation 4, 2. In x-axis 4, y-axis 2. In x-axis 4, y-axis 2. That is 4, 2. That's all. This is representation by a graph. Then last subdivision, a set in roster form. In roster form. See, in roster form, this relation ordered pair, just you take down and write. Okay, R is equal to 2, 1, 4, 2. That's all. In this subdivision also, relation given by roster form, and here also you need to represent this relation, arrow diagram, graph and roster form. See, in this question, relation ordered pair x comma y such that y equal to x plus 3, x comma y are natural numbers less than 10. Okay, solution. In solution, first you take down and write the element of x and y. See, in this question, x and y are natural numbers less than 10. That means natural numbers start from 1 up to 9 you write. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Because in the question less than 10 is given, so you stop up to 9. Okay, then y also 1 to 9. Okay, in relation condition, y equal to x plus 3. Okay, now we have to find out ordered pair of relation. See, if x equal to 1, then y equal to 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3, that is 4. Then the ordered pair 1, 4. Then if x equal to 2, then y equal to 2 plus 3 equal 5. That is 2, 5. Then x equal to 3. Then y equal to 3 plus 3 equal to 6. Then the ordered pair 3, 6. Then if x equal to 4, then y equal to 4 plus 3 equal to 7. That is 4, 7 is one of the ordered pair. Then x equal to 5. Y equal to 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. That is 5, 8. Next, x equal to 6. Then y equal to 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. Then 6, 9. See, next you take x equal to 7 means ordered pair will come 7, 10, but 10 is not belongs to y set. So, that is not a subset of x cross y. So, you no need to find remaining elements 7, 8, 9 are equal to 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6, 4, 7, 5, 8 and 6, 9. This is the relation ordered pair for given set built form. So next we represent this in an arrow diagram. An arrow diagram. See, an arrow diagram, first you write the given x set 1 to 9, write in the first oval shape 1 to 9, then next given y set also 1 to 9, then the next oval shape you write 1 to 9. So now you relate by using this relation ordered pair. Okay, first ordered pair 1 comma 4, then 1 is related to 4, then 2 comma 5, 2 is related to 5, then 3 comma 6, 3 is related to 6, then 4 comma 7, 4 is related to 7, 5 comma 8, 5 is related to 8, then 6 comma 9, 6 is related to 9. This is relation ordered pair of an arrow diagram. Okay, next a graph. Just you draw x-axis and y-axis. In x-axis you write the number 1 to 10, and in y-axis also write the number 1 to 10, and just you plot the relation ordered pair. Just you plot the relation ordered pair. That's all. Last subdivision in roster form. Just you take down and write the relation ordered pair, that is R equal to set of 1 comma 4, 2 comma 5, 3 comma 6, 4 comma 7, 5 comma 8 and 6 comma 9. That's all. Fourth question. This is the answer for the fourth question. Next we move on to the fifth question. In fifth question, read the question thoroughly and write the given. So in that question, categories of employees given, that is assistant, clerk, manager, executive officer. Then number of employees also given. In assistant 5 members are there, in clerk 4 members are working, in manager 3 members and executive officer 2 members, and their salary are also given. For assistant each got rupees 10,000, for clerk each person get rupees 25,000, for manager each person get rupees 50,000, and executive officer each person get rupees 1 lakh. Okay, then next you see the important given. So in the question, X is salary and Y is person. In ordered pair, first you write X coordinate and Y coordinate. In the question given, X is salary and Y is to a person. So first you write the salary. First I will take the assistant category. So in this 5 members are there, each member get the salary 10,000. So the ordered pair, salary, x-axis salary, y-axis persons. Therefore 10,000 comma first member of assistant A1, then 10,000 comma second member of assistant A2, then 10,000 comma third member of assistant A3, then salary amount 10,000 comma fourth member of assistant A4, then salary amount 10,000 comma fifth member of assistant A5. Then next category clerk, their salary amount 25,000. So salary amount 25,000 comma first member of clerk C1, salary amount 25,000 comma second member of clerk C2, salary amount 25,000 and third member of clerk C3, then salary amount 25,000 and fourth member of clerk C4. Next category managers, 3 members are there, then each member get the salary 50,000. So salary amount 50,000 and first member of manager M1, salary amount 50,000 and second member of manager M2, 50,000 comma M3. Then next category executive officers, there are 2 executive officers are there, each person get rupees 1 lakh. So salary amount 1 lakh comma first member of executive officer E1, salary amount 1 lakh comma second member of executive officer E2. In an arrow diagram, X is a salary amount and Y is to person. Okay. Then 10,000 salary. So see this ordered pair and relate 10,000 related to A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5. So salary amount 10,000 related to A1, again 10,000 related to A2, 10,000 related to A3, 10,000 related to A4 and 10,000 related to A5. You put arrow mark like this. Then next 25,000 related to each person of clerk category. Then 25,000 related to C1, C2, C3 and C4. Then 50,000 related to each person of manager category. Then 50,000 related to M1, M2, M3. Then 1 lakh related to each person of executive officer category. Then 1 lakh E1, E2. This is relation R. Okay. This is the answer for the 5th question. Write it on your note. Yesterday I gave homework 3rd sum in this exercise. I hope you are all finished. All of you take that page and correct it. See the question. A relation R is given by set x comma y such that y equal to x plus 3, x belongs to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Determine its domain and range. See, in this question, relation are given by set built form. Then we have to find out domain and range of this relation. See, first you take down and write the given relation in set built form. Here y condition in relation, y coordinate condition is y equal to x plus 3. X coordinate elements are given. So you apply this x element in this y term and get the ordered pair. So if x is equal to 0, then y equal to 3, then the ordered pair or 0, 3. Then x equal to 1, y equal to 4, then the ordered pair 1, 4. Then x equal to 2, y equal to 5, then the ordered pair 2, 5. Then x equal to 3, y equal to 6, then the ordered pair 3, 6. X equal to 4, y equal to 7, then the ordered pair 4, 7. Now you take down and write the relation in roster form. That is ordered pair 0, 3, 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6 and 4, 7. Now you write the domain. Set of all first element in an ordered pair of relation R. Therefore, domain of R equal to first element alone, take down and write, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Range of R, set of all second element in ordered pair of relation R, that is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That one you take down and write. Today homework. Example 1.3 and exercise 1.2, 4th sum. Do it in your rough note. Thank you.